Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fake location on your Snapchat. Snapchat tracks your location and uses this information to improve its feature and services, like most other social media platforms and apps. If you want to trick people or the Snapchat app into thinking that you are from somewhere else, then you can easily fake your location using your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Go and tap open your Play Store and in the search box at the top, search for fake GPS location. Want to make your search? From the search results, click on this application right here that says fake GPS location from Alexa. Tap the install button in order to download the application on your Android device. Wait until the app gets installed, and once it is ready for use, go and tap open your settings from your Android device. First, you'll need to go ahead and enable developer settings on your Android phone. From your settings menu, tap on About Phone. Select Software Information from the menu, tap Build Number, and make sure to tap it 7 times quickly. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable your developer mode on your Android device. Now once you do that, you have access to the developer mode settings page. Go back and from the settings menu at the bottom, you'll be able to see developer option. Tap it on, and on the next page, scroll all the way down until you see select Mark Location app. Give it a tap and in the pop-up select Fake GPS. Now tap open your fake GPS application. You'll be able to see a locator displayed on the screen. Drop it to somewhere that you'd like to fake your location and press the play button at the lower right hand corner. Now all you need to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app, go to the map area by swiping the screen towards the right side twice, and that is how you'll be able to fake your location on Snapchat. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.